Good evening, everyone. A very, very good evening, everyone. Okay, so the Instagram is telling everyone that I'm online and I'm waiting for all my people right now. Hello's DJ Monty. Good. I hope the net is working fine. A very, very good evening, Monty. I hope I'm audible. Hi, Pratmesh. Arushi. Rakhi. Hi. Hi, everyone. Shweta. Okay, so now Vivacious Fitness and hi Sony, how are you? Hi Pratmesh. Okay, so this is today I'm starting off the session in a bit different way. Different way ऐसा है कि I'm not gonna dance or do the workouts, but recently I'm in love with this song, so I want to play a few lines of this song and yeah, Monty is laughing, but Monty, such में next time please play this number for me if you can on your live sessions. So this is you know, the song that I am in love with. So if you can hear it, just do let me know. Hi Utkarsha, thanks for joining in. Utkarsha, I think you will know this song. I don't understand anything. Utkarsha, can you just tell me what this song is? Yes, Mone. Oh, you can sing it. Yes. Buttu mama, buttu mama. I love this song. Okay. So a very, very good Telugu, yes, Telugu, and this is Allu Arjun, a very, I think, a known superstar of. अच्छा, Buttu Bamma means cute doll. क्या बात है? अच्छा, ऐसा होता है क्या? चलो बढ़िया. So a very, very good evening, everyone over here. I hope everyone is doing fit, fantastic, and fabulous as usual. And thank you very much for joining in for this yet another session of It's My Story. What's yours? So thank you. सबसे पहले तो सभी लोगों को जो लोग यहाँ पे join in होते हैं every week on Wednesday and Saturdays. And thank you very much to all the guests जो आज तक हर एक सेशन में यहाँ पे आए हैं. They have been so humble enough, they have been so good enough and genuine enough to join in and काफ़ी information दी है. पर thank you Monty. पर आज का जो सेशन है, it is not about a story. This is more of an informative session that I have planned today. And have got an opportunity कि एक ऐसे शख्स को मैं यहाँ पे बुलाऊं, एक ऐसे गेस्ट को मैं यहाँ पे बुलाऊं जो बहुत बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं सभी लोगों के लिए, जो लोग दे आर इन नीड ऑफ ओके. सरप्राइज में भी आते हैं हम लोग. यस, बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस है. एंड हाय मयूर. सो आई जस्ट फिनिश ऑफ व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग फर्स्ट इज ये जो शख्स है, वी आई हैव जस्ट डन ऑल द क्रिएटिव्स एंड काफ़ी लोगों ने क्रिएटिव को भी अप्रिशिएट किया है. वी हैव मिसेस अश्विनी देशपांडे एंड शी हैज़ बीन a social worker, I would say, and I have worked with her, so I know how genuine the entire उनके जो concepts होते हैं, जो वो कर रहे हैं, जो उनका NGO काम कर रहा है, वो कितने genuine है. And I have got an opportunity today to invite her, and she was so sweet enough to just say this, yes Rohan, I want to come over and talk to people. तो आज एक बहुत ही informative session है. So I would now like to invite Ashwini over here. और मैम आई थिंक आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे. Yes. So I'm just sending a request. And hi Mayur.
Yes. Hi Rohan.
Hello madam, how are you? कैसे हो आप? I hope everything is great.
Yes, everything is itna busy. This COVID has kept us busy in a different way.
Right.
Every day some or the other request is coming related to beds, oxygen, patients are there, families in distress and all these things. This COVID is different from the last lockdown which we people had.
Yeah, it's more risky.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, अश्विनी जी, जब आप आ ही चुके हो, आप नहीं थे जब मैंने हम लोग का एक रिचुअल होता है जिस तरीके से हम लोग शुरू करते हैं, तो आप वहां पे नहीं. तो सो नाउ आई वुड इनवाइट यू नाउ अगेन वन मोर टाइम. So a very good evening, Ashwini Deshpande ma'am, for this beautiful session, and thank you very much, and I hope you're doing fit, fantastic and fabulous as usual.
Yes, absolutely. I should thank you, Rohan, for inviting me over here. That it is
it's my pleasure. So now see, एक तो ये एक इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन है आज. जैसे मेरा एक कॉन्सेप्ट रहा है मैम कि ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट जो सीरीज मैंने शुरू किया है, आई वांटेड टू अपडेट यू अबाउट इट ऑल्सो, कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट, ये सीरीज ऐसा है जो कुछ साल, एक साल पहले आई थिंक वी हैड स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद लोकल बनेगा वोकल. एक ऐसी चीज जहां पे हम अपने लोगों को ज्यादा प्रमोट करें, अपने लोगों को ज्यादा काम दें. बट आज आई नो दैट everyone in Nasik is doing so good, everyone. I'm so happy to say that all my friends, all the people I know, they're doing so good. So this concept was kept in mind कि जो इतने साल से काम कर रहे हैं, उनको मैं यहाँ बुलाऊं, उनकी स्ट्रगल स्टोरीज डिस्कस करें, और इसी तरह से लोग जो नहीं जानते हैं वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं और कैसे उन्होंने शुरुआत की, तो वो सब लोग जाने. एंड it's they are our public, हमारे लोग हैं, so why not? And today we are going a bit different because this session, your session, is all about information related to the most important thing that we all are going through, and a very good initiative that you have started. वो भी हम आएंगे उसके ऊपर. So right now I really want to introduce you because it would be a great pleasure to introduce you. Ashwini ji जो है, she's an advocate, she's a social worker, as I said. She runs a Radha Lakshmi Foundation, as the NGO is named as, and ये कोई एक पर्टिकुलर चीज के ऊपर डील नहीं करते हैं ये फाउंडेशन. ये हर एक इमरजेंसी में दिस फाउंडेशन इज अहेड. हर एक रिक्वायरमेंट में, जैसे अभी आपने सुना था कि बेड्स का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, किसी के ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है. सो दिस फाउंडेशन इज ऑलवेज ऑन द फर्स्ट स्टेप. आई हैव वर्कड विद दिस फाउंडेशन, so I know, as I said, it is so very genuine, and I would love if people get connected, because आज जरूरत है एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के आगे बढ़ने की. So Ashwini ji, now the entire conversation is on your hand. You have to say what is it going. So firstly I would request आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं. और आज थोड़ा सा मैं ज्यादा हिंदी में बोलूंगा क्योंकि मुझे ये मैसेज आया था कि सर थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलिए. सो मराठी तुम्हाला माहिती आहे मी किती चांगली मराठी बोलतो, ते साईडला ठेवू, इंग्लिश साईडला आणि हिंदी मध्ये बोलू.
ओके. सी बेसिकली मैंने जो career as such, I don't know whether to call it a career, but whatever I have been doing, my first priority always has been my daughters. Keeping their bringing up in mind, I've always changed my career. So originally I used to teach, of course at home. I used to conduct classes 11th and because teaching has always been my passion. And
okay.
So But once I had my daughters, then what I did was teaching was one thing. I started going as a visiting faculty to some of the colleges, and I dealt with many subjects there too.
Okay.
And फिर उसके during that period, I also chose to write. I had an opportunity to write some textbooks, course material for YCMU, and 25
Okay.
books I've that is Yashwantrao Open University. I've written for them because that was work from home. At that time, we work from home concept, and that was I liked it. I enjoyed doing it. And the latest book I laws related to women. Otherwise, they were on personality development and at the simultaneously, मेरा MA English, MPhil in soft skills communication, LLB and MBA in HR. ये सब degrees with my daughters का bringing up I've been doing. And advocate, as you said, that I'm an advocate, but I've never intended practice करना नहीं चाहती थी in the court. So I just wanted to help people in domestic violence cases, in sexual harassment cases. This is what my thought was that
Okay.
you have to be more proactive on these things. So that is what I'm dealing with. And उसी सिलसिले में पॉश के जो cases है, पॉश is prevention of sexual harassment at work. This is an important criteria. And ये जो इसके committees रहते हैं, तो ताज होटल है, मैरियट है, ये जो अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल्स है, वो उसके कमिटी, आई एम वर्किंग एज अ कमिटी मेंबर देयर, and I'm working as a corporate trainer in soft skills, that is behavior and personality. जैसे मेरे बेटियां बड़ी हुई, I started changing my, because बाहर जाने का मेरे पास टाइम अवेलेबिलिटी हुई,
Right.
required me less. That is why I changed. And from 2014, see, working for the society has always been my passion. And it has come automatically, we can say, because recently I discovered it. Police training में एक session था, and when I spoke to, I was speaking to some of the PI and people, police department, and someone spoke to me that I am from Nandurbar. I just said that वो तो मेरा, my grandfather was. He said, he is your real grandfather, your father's? Yes, I said, he is my father's father. मतलब उनका इतना बड़ा नाम है, इतना बड़ा सोशल वर्क है, तो आपके मैम सोशल वर्क जीन्स में है, आप नहीं भी चाहते तो भी करेंगे. दिस इज व्हाट आई डिस्कवर्ड लेटली 1 year back. So this has always been my passion, that I should do something for the society simultaneously with people, the youngsters. Working with youngsters I have loved. And उनको दे लेके, जैसे कि पांडवलेना, वी गो एंड क्लीन पांडवलेना, यंगस्टर्स का टीम लेके, वी विजिट ऑर्फनेजेस, रिमांड होम, यूज टू टेक यंगस्टर्स, तो उनका ब्रिंगिंग अप अलग तरीके से. That was the mindset. That there are
I remember this because last year जब आपका कॉल आया था and I was there at the office, the NGO, we were packing some stuff for, I think, the Kerala.
Is 2 years back, 3 years back, I suppose, and Kolhapur is 2 years back. Floods,
right?
So we are sent to Kerala and one truck to Kolhapur.
Ji. So great. So, ma'am, I wanted to ask you. You have written books for laws related to women.
Yes, one of the books is laws related. Others are communication skills, English, grammar. There are many other subjects. Communication. One is for career publication, which is for all over India. Pharmacy students, soft skills and personality development. I have written for engineering students, for pharmacy students, many people. Because
that's great work. That's great work.
Yeah, because soft skills is, that is behave. Soft skills is how you behave in the society, and how you handle your personal life and your professional. That is, and that is required for everyone. Doctors need it. Everyone needs it. Whatever your degree is, you need it. That is, I'm working on that.
So, do you have any thing in mind to start writing a law related to men?
I'm looking at the cases, Rohan. There are so many cases these days that women are harassing men. So we already have a Purush Hakka Samiti. Purush Hakka Samiti. Yes. Purush Hakka Samiti, one of my students is the head over there. And there are so many cases. At present, there are 500 men, 500 men from Nasik who have registered there. एंड आई हैव सेंट सो मेनी केसेस जिनके घर में बहू बहुत परेशान कर रही है या वाइफ इज हैरेसिंग, उसके घर वाले बहुत उसको लड़के को मार रहे हैं, मतलब जमाई
अरे
वमाई वो क्या
ओके
उल्टा उसको आके मार रहे हैं, दे आर हरासिंग थिंग्स, दे आर डिमांडिंग मेनी थिंग्स, मतलब गलत 498 का एडवांटेज गलत ले रहे हैं,
गलत ले
डिसएडवांटेज।
रहे हैं। इसीलिए मैंने आपको पूछा कि ये अब एक थोड़ा सा आपने लिखना चाहिए जहां पे ये लॉ रिलेटेड टू मेन एंड लॉ रिलेटेड टू वुमेन दोनों समझना चाहिए लोगों ने।
Yes, yes, I'm writing on one thing that see, I'm writing on it. That is, see, if girls are demanding कि मेरा ये हक होना चाहिए
बाप
ना,
रे
और एग्जाम्पल 498 में मेरा ये हक है, मेरा ये हक, लेकिन उस हक के साथ ड्यूटीज क्या है, आई एम राइटिंग पैरेलल थिंग्स बिकॉज वॉट एवर सिनेरियो एंड वॉट एवर केसेस आर कमिंग accordingly I'm just okay accordingly I'm just writing the book.
So, ma'am, now there are we have this entire session. इसमें last के हम लोग 5-10 minutes रखते हैं question answers के लिए. But we do appreciate all the questions coming right now also, and then we'll go ahead. There is one question from DJ Monty right now, and I would like to ask you about it. That, ma'am, what do you think about the new generation's behavior towards elders in today's time? बाप रे सीधा.
Yes, Monty, it is a very, very important question. See, behavior has definitely changed. The way of these youngsters handling, see, हमारे ज़माने में how we dealt with our parents with absolute respect. No, we never back answer. अभी भी डर लगता है, मेरे मम्मी के सामने मैंने जब फर्स्ट टाइम बाल काटे ना, तो कि क्या है तेरे को समझता है नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं वैसे नहीं, अभी भी चीज की तू इतना काम कर रही, बच्चों की तरफ ध्यान दे रही है ना, दैट इज हर थिंकिंग. मेरे को अभी भी डर लगता है मेरे मम्मी से. My mother-in-law, you can, I'm living in a joint family from the last, this is the 28 years I'll be completing this year. And this is our mindset. But ये बच्चों का, you see, they don't feel bad about what they are, और उनका perspective ही अलग है Monty. The thing is that feel that this is whatever they are doing is wrong. They don't feel कि everyday partying, going out with friends, back answering parents, not studying, going through the following many net series. That these things are exposing, web series and all these things are exposing to bad things in a way. And students don't understand how that even if we go and see these things, we have to keep ourselves away from them. One thing that we should understand, that I should know everything, but I should not behave in this fashion.
But I want to ask here, I want to ask you, sorry to cut you, but I want to ask you here. See, I would not say the younger generation or older generation, because there is always a generation gap. और ये हमेशा रहेगा. आपकी सोच में, आंटी की सोच में, मेरी सोच में, राधिका एंड लक्ष्मी, आपके जो बच्चे हैं उनकी सोच में डिफरेंस रहने ही वाला है. बट what is right and what is wrong for that particular generation on that time?
Yes.
So who decides that? I mean, see, I'm just saying कि parties, I belong to a glamour industry, as you know.
Right.
Party is a part of my profession.
Right.
So I would say today the parents also are much more responsible for the upbringing of that child. Because what is to be taken from the society and what is not to be absorbed is the way of thinking, क्योंकि वो बच्चा बड़ा होता है तब तक आपको सिखाना है.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, you're absolutely right. See, parents are the first role models बच्चों के लिए.
Right.
अगर मैं एज अ मदर दिन भर मैं व्हाट्सएप देखती रहूंगी और मैं बच्चे को बोलूंगी क्या है तू मोबाइल रख नीचे और तू काम कर, दिस इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड कि वो वही करेंगे. Parents naturally see very small examples कि my daughters also tell me कि ये ऐसा मत करो वैसा मत करो, या even कि आप इतना काम मत. लेकिन जब वक्त आता है, like for example, at present the schools are closed from the last 2 years.
Right.
And the youngsters, rather children, are in a lot of this. कि schools नहीं है, they don't know how to, they are confused with. both of my daughters every day they are saying कि राधिका and लक्ष्मी कि कुछ तो तुम कर रही है बच्चों के लिए कि उनको कुछ पढ़ाई स्ट्रीम लाएंगे, तू कुछ तो कर यार, इनको बहुत उनका लाइफ बर्बाद. दिस इज व्हाट वो अंदर से आ रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे सी मी वर्किंग. इफ मैं दिन भर पार्टीज करूँ, व्हाट्सएप करूँ, देन नेचुरली आई हैव सीन काउंसलिंग के लिए जब बच्चे आते हैं एंड पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं, एक वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल है कि एक पेरेंट का कंप्लेंट था कि मेरा जो बेटा है वो बैक आंसर करता है कि आप दिन भर, वो मैं उसको बोलता पढ़ाई कर और तू टीवी मत देख. बोला आप दिन भर क्या करते हो, आप मेरे को ये मत बोलो. लड़का था, टीनेजर बॉय. देन आई आस्क्ड व्हाट फादर डज. हिज फादर वाज पीडब्ल्यूडी इंजीनियर और उनका काम तरीका ऐसा था कि गो लेट टू द ऑफिस 11:30, साइन करके दोपहर में खाना खाने आते थे, खाना खा के टीवी देख सोते थे एंड 4:30 यूज्ड टू गो एंड 5:30 6 o'clock यूज्ड टू बी बैक, घर पे आ जाते. तो बच्चे के लिए क्या है कि ही नेवर टू रिस्पेक्ट. जैसे 9 बजे डैडी गए काम पे गए, 6 o'clock ही केम बैक. देयर आर मेनी केसेस वेयर पेरेंट्स वर एट दिस. तो उनका काम करने का तरीका बहुत अलग. एंड पीपल, बच्चों का ऐसे लगता था कि मेरे डैडी तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे, मम्मी तो दिन भर शी इज गोइंग टू द स्कूल और शी इज वर्किंग. देन दिस इज द माइंडसेट एंड उसकी वजह से फर्स्ट रोल मॉडल्स फॉर द बच्चों के लिए.
Yeah, because I think a kid sees and the kid learns from the surrounding. You know, we can't say that everything is based just because आपने वेब सीरीज है ऐसा नहीं. I work for it इसलिए नहीं, क्योंकि हमें क्या उसमें से लेना है ये हम लोग अपब्रिंगिंग से ही सीखते हैं.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, so now we will come on to this because this is a topic that I wanted to discuss with you, and thank you Monty for getting this topic, you know. So now what I wanted to ask you about, please tell us, कुछ बताइए राधा लक्ष्मी फाउंडेशन के बारे में. कब स्टार्ट हुआ, कितना साल हो गया और कैसे you know it is into working?
Okay. See, Radha Lakshmi Foundation, we have started from 2014. It is a registered foundation under Bombay Trust Act. And we are, we have registered ourselves as multi-purpose foundation. See, Ron, I had not specified myself. Suppose I'm working for XYZ category of people. When we start anything, we are learning learning from it. So my major focus was empowerment and education. As I said, that being working with the youngsters has always been my passion. So educationally, that too, not everyday things we are not going to teach children. What we are doing is that we are having different sessions for now because of the COVID. The schools and colleges are closed, but we are having quite different people from different sectors who talk to the students, and these students are from the NMC schools or the underprivileged students schools. और उनके लिए we bring such people because they do not have a chance to इनके साथ ऐसे लोगों के साथ interact करने का chance देता है. That is the major reason. And you see, simple thing is that I don't know who an architect is. I give a career session on the options of and architect क्या करता है. तो दैट इज जो राखी मैडम है ना इधर कि उनको मैंने बोला है कि लास्ट ईयर से, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड कि यू कंडक्ट अ सेशन व्हाट व्हाट डॉक्टर मालूम है, इंजीनियर मालूम होता है, टीचर मालूम होता है, लेकिन दीज पीपल दे रियली डू नॉट नो सम सेक्शंस की जो आईटी इंजीनियर क्या है या सेक्टर क्या है, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे हैव टू बी टोल्ड. Apart from that, joined us last year that we are giving school bags, notebooks, pens, and the stationery and everything, because the necessity you will see in the villages. You had come in fact to many villages that the people have whatever they have, only 1 or 2 notebooks kids have, and they this polythene bag or the whatever bags we use now, these they don't have benches and all. We are not that much capable of providing all these, but we. And other than that, now this from the last year, in fact 2 years, we have been sponsoring some kids. Some children cannot even pay the 10,000 amount का जो रहते हैं स्कूल फीस का, कॉलेज के फीस का yearly amount. That also not have. So those students who are very much interested, we are sponsoring those kids and give them. And other than that, we have empowering projects. Empowering is, see, not only giving employment. See, as we have an art project, which is empowering only artists. We have organized exhibitions. We have a website. Website has we are organizing exhibitions, we are promoting the WhatsApp and all. We have set up as Radha Lakshmi Foods. All the middle class ladies who are good making food, who have need financial support, who have someone has lost their husbands, or these things are there, and they are given this space because Radha Lakshmi food is related to hygiene. So only women who understand the hygiene standard, they are given this Radha Lakshmi foods access, and we get things done, give them a market. This is also one of the things. And of course the sexual harassment thing is there. Many people, even as you said कि लड़कों के लिए कुछ है, sexual harassment sessions I conduct even for the men wherever I make men also, because there are so many cases कि जिधर लड़कियां ही लड़कों को फंसा रही है.
I know.
Yes, and surprisingly ये from the last 15 years मैंने ऐसा ट्रेंड देखा है कि अगर वो कुछ लड़की का इन्वॉल्वमेंट कम रहता है, उसका इंटेंशन फंसाने का ही है, लड़के गो इनटू डिप्रेशन. दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी स्कैरी ट्रेंड विच मैं देख रही हूँ. दिस इज ऑल्सो देयर.
So basically I want to just revise everything. जो लोग अभी ज्वाइन हुए उनके लिए, जैसे मधु है, लीना है, ये लोग काफी लोग अभी ज्वाइन हुए हैं. अश्विनी जी, तो एक बार वापस आई जस्ट रिवाइज दी एवरीथिंग दैट वी टुडे वी हैव अ गेस्ट मिसेस अश्विनी देशपांडे, और इनका एक फाउंडेशन है, एक एनजीओ है जो बहुत नोन है, राधा लक्ष्मी फाउंडेशन के नाम से. इट्स बीन इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस इन द लास्ट 6 years 7 years नाउ, एंड इट्स अ रजिस्टर्ड फाउंडेशन. और ये फाउंडेशन एक मल्टीपर्पज फाउंडेशन है. इसका मतलब ये है कि इट इज नॉट ओनली रिलेटेड टू वन कैटेगरी ऑफ चैरिटी और डोनेशंस और एनीथिंग. इट टेक्स केयर ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट फ्रॉम एजुकेशन to empowering people, finding out work and placing them properly. I would say that also because you are teaching people how to work for it. So it's a multi-purpose foundation. जैसे ज्वाइन हुए तो मैं कहना चाहूंगा आई हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड टू द फाउंडेशन. आई थिंक 1-2 बार मैं आके आपके साथ छोटा सा मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन मैंने किया है काम का. बट अश्विनी मैम, आज यहाँ पे एक मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि I can't say that it's an NGO. What I do is, one sec, I'll just invite these people who are coming online. Yeah, what I do is I've started something known as Share.
Okay.
SHARE. Share. जैसे आप WhatsApp पे शेयर करते हो, Insta पे शेयर करते हो, I've started something known as Share, and it has been in existence in the last 7-8 years. आपकी और मेरी जैसे बात हुई थी, वी आर नॉट इनटू टू मच ऑफ प्रमोशंस कि एक काम करो और 10 फोटो निकालो. सो आई हैव नॉट डन दैट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, बट नाउ आई फील बिकॉज जब काम करते हैं तो थोड़ा बताना पड़ता है ताकि लोग जुड़े. राइट. अगर लोग जुड़ेंगे नहीं तो हम लोग भी आगे बढ़ नहीं पाएंगे और हम वो काम नहीं कर पाएंगे जो हम करना चाहते हैं. सो शेयर, आई वुड जस्ट टेक 1 minute of yours. व्हाट इज शेयर? Share is basically what I do is, as you know, मुझे काम के सिलसिले में बहुत घूमना पड़ता है. I travel a lot. नासिक के बाहर भी हो. So share is one concept again where people would give me a call directly. काफी बार आपके घर पे पुराने कपड़े होते हैं, पुराने बैग्स होते हैं, अच्छे वाले जो आप फटे हुए नहीं, because people have this tendency, and they have done it twice with me and they've got it back because ultimately तो हूँ रोहन ही, वो वापस में देने वाला हूँ. So ये होता है कि आप मुझे कॉल करो wherever you are in Nasik. I will come personally to your house. I will collect the bags, everything, and I do not give it to any orphanage or an institute. I basically give it to the roadside people. So अगर मैं यहाँ से बम्बई जा रहा हूँ, I feel someone, I see someone over the road who do not have clothes, or you know they are real beggars, जो actually उनको घर बार कुछ नहीं है, तो उनको मैं वो कपड़े दे देता हूँ. So that is my way of charity. That is what I do. And through you, I wanted to promote this much कि अगर किसी के पास कपड़े हो, अभी कोविड है, अभी मत बुलाइएगा, पर I do that. So
I know about it, and I also remember one of the incidents where you just in one of the colonies you returned it.
Yeah, no. I did that. Yeah, because I wanted to say this. They had given me a call from Nasik, और जितने ऑनलाइन है प्लीज सुन लीजिए. उन्होंने कॉल किया, उन्होंने एक बैग भरा था, बहुत बड़ा बैग था, कि ये सारे कपड़े हैं जो हम लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं. फुटवेयर थे, अंडरगारमेंट्स थे. It is not bad to give undergarments. That's okay. I do collect it because मैं उसको फिर sort out करके उस तरीके से रखता हूँ. And उन्होंने खराब undergarments दिए. They were really bad. They were stinking. कुछ कपड़े फटे हुए थे. एक चप्पल दी. अब एक चप्पल कौन पहनने वाला है? Nobody wears one footwear. So what I did was I collected everything together, tied it, उनके घर के बाहर वापस जाके रख के आया, and with my name and number, that it is a donation from Share to you. Please, you only wear it. So that is it. Okay, there was one more question, and this is my second question also to you, ma'am. How does Radha Lakshmi Foundation get the funds? तो आप एक registered for institute foundation है, and how would people get benefit if they fund you?
We have not only registered, we have also received the 12A and 80G certificates also for our NGO, which give the donors an exemption from the tax. Whoever donates, they get an exemption, which of course, which is the necessity even for the CSR funds and all. So whichever activity, basically, when we have declared, with we are so much blessed that अभी तक कुछ कमी हुई नहीं. For example, last year जो notebooks and school stationeries and bags we the village students na, what I intended was only to reach 1,000 students. So I did accordingly, but requirement because I'm going to various schools and all, वो जो उधर के principal and all these people, they said 5,500 students की requirement आई उधर. I was just wondering कि अब कितने लोगों तक, I don't know how I can reach. And then the Technocrat company, those people, they helped us. There were many friend circles में जो किसी ने 5,000, किसी ने 2,000, किसी ने 1,000. Aris company ने they collected at their in the company, और उन्होंने कुछ लोगों ने notebooks लाके दिए, कुछ लोगों ने pens, pencils, everything. They sorted out and they brought it to our office. Then Nasik Run made a major contribution. 2,000 kids were completely sponsored by Nasik Run Charitable Trust.
Wow!
And Mr. Banerjee, whom in fact I haven't even met. I just made a phone call that this is a thing. I'll send the PPT. At that time, even we had made the website of our NGO. Right. PPT someone else had made. कि मैम आप कुछ तो प्रमोट करो ऐसा करके, and then he had okayed it within a minute that ma'am will be sponsoring all जो 2,000 बच्चे थे, he sponsored, and only for the last some things some कुछ बच्चों को तक we couldn't reach, but we could make it 4,600. Of course there were many donations, many people donate for these kids. As I said, that children's education is completely sponsored, means their school fees and college fees these people.
Super.
So I also whatever that this is the thing, and they get the foundation receipt as well as the school or college whatever receipt, and even I have a personal monitoring on these kids that how they are doing their studies. ऐसा नहीं कि बच्चे पढ़ ही नहीं रहे, जिस सिर्फ मिल रहा है. This is not, this is completely monitored that right. मिल रहा है, फीस मिल रहा है, इसलिए भरो, जाओ या नहीं जाओ. This is not done. Complete monitoring is done here.
Right. So now again I need to repeat, Multipurpose Foundation, Radha Lakshmi Foundation is a multipurpose foundation, and it has been a registered foundation, and any donation, if people are ready to go and donate, has been given an exemption from 12A and ATG, right?
Yeah.
Am I right,
ATG,
ma'am?
ATG is the tax exemption.
Huh.
ATG
And 12A is?
prior step to ATG, which companies require. CSR for the CSR.
Yeah. एक सेकेंड, यहाँ पे कुछ मैसेज आ रहे हैं. आई वुड जस्ट एक सेकेंड. Okay, so that's super. Okay, now over here again, one more time for the people who have just joined in. I just need to repeat this and revise it. We have today with us Mrs. Ashwini Deshpande, the founder of Radha Lakshmi Foundation, an NGO, a multi-purpose foundation, a registered foundation, and she's here not only to tell us about the entire NGO that works in what fields, everything else, but she's also here that to tell us about one initiative that the foundation has recently started, which is आज की तारीख में सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी, the need of the hour, right? So we'll come back to that thing. Before that, I have to say this because you know जितने लोग नए नए joining होते हैं उनको पता होना चाहिए कि I would welcome everyone who has just joined in on It's My Story, What's Yours. Today we have an informative session. Today we do not have a story about someone, but a complete lifespan of a person, a social worker who's been giving everything to the NGO and working for people. And ma'am, I would like to request you, आप कम आते हो Instagram पे, आप कम आते हो social sites पे, तो जैसे आपको बोला गया था कि आप वेबसाइट शुरू कीजिए और थोड़ा प्रमोट कीजिए, वो आपको करना ही है. एंड यू हैव टू यू नो बी विथ अस बिकॉज हम लोग एक नया इनिशिएटिव शुरू कर रहे हैं बहुत ही जल्द, विच इज नोन एज बचपन स्टोरीज. बचपन स्टोरीज इज डेफिनेटली नाम जो है वो खुद ही अपने बारे में बोल रहा है. इट इज सेइंग अबाउट व्हाट द कॉन्सेप्ट इज, बट यू विल डेफिनेटली लव द कॉन्सेप्ट. It will take you back to your own childhood. It will take you back to everything that you have done as a child. And कहीं ना कहीं वो बचपना जो अभी भी है, वो आप हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हो.
Definitely, yes.
So stay tuned with us. Be connected to us on Instagram and keep posting a lot of work that you are doing, so we all can get connected and motivated. Now I want to ask here, एक initiative जो आपके फाउंडेशन ने शुरू किया है, what is that initiative and in detail about it, how we can join in?
See, Rohan, this is a counseling initiative. We, as I mentioned, that there were many, because I was working with youngsters and with parents and all, there were many people asking for some help for counseling time. And of course, you are also part of that counseling team, which we had made 1.5 years back. And
right.
There are psychiatrists also there, and there are many people from different fields who have a same thought that we want to help others in counseling part, whatever we can do. See, this is not exactly the psychiatric treatment. It is only some person listening to whatever your issues are, to vent out your It is not for guiding, मतलब ये गाइड करने के लिए नहीं है, सॉरी फॉर मेडिकल हेल्प के लिए नहीं है, गाइड करने के लिए है. इट इज ओनली फॉर लिस्ट. जो भी सुनने के बाद ऐसा नहीं है कि तकलीफ को बहुत बड़ा सॉल्यूशन मिलता है, प्रॉब्लम एंड होता है, लेकिन जैसा कि बोलते हैं कि बोलने से अपना दुख आधा होता है. दैट काइंड ऑफ team is working. और लास्ट ईयर वी हैड सेशंस इन सम स्कूल्स, एज यू आर आल्सो अवेयर दैट कुछ बच्चों के की पहला फोकस बच्चों को रहे कि whatever the issues, but to our surprise more than बच्चे parents came up कि हम लोग को ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है. And there we work for I think for a 4 to 5 months period, and then because lockdown and all these things हम लोग को restrictions हुए हैं. But then of course ये इनिशिएटिव के साथ टाटा ट्रस्ट जो है, तो उनका पार्टनरशिप है अपने एनजीओ के साथ. एंड उन्होंने volunteers from all over the India, in fact one is from Australia too, they have provided volunteers कि जो जो भी ये करना चाहते हैं, एंड इट इज अ फैंटास्टिक टीम, पीपल आर एवरी संडे वी आर हैविंग अ मीटिंग रिगार्डिंग इट, आई गाइड देम कि कैसा काउंसलिंग इज क्या, देन व्हाट कोविड हैज चेंज्ड द डेफिनेशंस ऑफ एवरीथिंग. Last COVID में our foundation worked only for meals. We provided meals, almost 2,500 meals to migrants. We provided ration kits कुछ families के लिए. Then I had started वो blog का series कि पॉजिटिविटी कैसे, पीपल फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन था, अभी लोग वर कंफ्यूज, निगेटिविटी में जा रहे थे कि घर. So write positive aspects of the silver lining of coronavirus ये करके in whichever language you prefer, and we are posting it on our blogs which people read कर सके. That was one of the initiative, and of course this counseling was one of the initiative at that time. But then this इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान एंड दिस वेव ये इतनी स्कैरी है, और पीपल इफ यू स्टडी कि लास्ट वेव में इतने नोन लोग नहीं गुजर रहे थे या इनको कोविड पॉजिटिव नहीं हो रहे थे. तो दिस वेव के लिए वी शुड बी प्रोएक्टिव इन अ डिफरेंट वे. काउंसलिंग ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसा कि आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर समवन, वो खुद होके आए. जैसे some family members or other some relatives or some friends or neighbors कि जो पॉजिटिव है, what ये हम लोग को सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत किसकी है कि we need a support from someone, not support, we cannot go physically there. हम लोग उधर जाके हेल्प नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन फोन पे बात कर सकते हैं. उनको पॉजिटिव, ask them to stay positive कि इसमें सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या है कि if I diagnose कोविड पॉजिटिव, ये हमारे साथ भी हुआ है कि माई डॉटर व्हेन शी हैड फीवर एंड माई फादर इन लॉ ही वाज डिटेक्टेड विथ कोविड and he was hospitalized, and the third day my daughter, she had fever. I started crying immediately. At that time Radhika, my elder daughter, she took over the situation that you don't cry and you don't go in front of her, you just first you stay calm, you whatever you so she told me to be in the car only, you first you finish your crying, then I will handle her. Then once I vented out the feelings, I spoke to the doctor, they said that nothing is there, she's having only fever and everything will be okay. Then I became calm, and then everything I managed. Unfortunately we lost him, my father-in-law, he expired all this, and my both of my daughters, my mother-in-law, they were positive. But people hide these things. Instead you should tell people that don't come to our house, these three are positive, this is the first step. ये भी गाइड करना जरूरी है. एज आई सेड कि काउंसलिंग इज नॉट कि बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा मैरिज इज नॉट वर्किंग, मेरी बीवी मेरे को परेशान कर रही है, मेरा हस्बैंड परेशान कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज ओनली कि यू फर्स्ट कोविड टेस्ट करो. जैसे कि माई एल्डर डॉटर राधिका, शी हैड स्टार्टेड, शी फाउंड आउट कि मेनी यंगस्टर्स, एज मॉन्टी हैड पुट अप, यंगस्टर्स का जो माइंडसेट है, दे वर नॉट गेटिंग दैट टेस्ट डन कि कुछ नहीं होता है यार, कोविड से कुछ नहीं होने वाला हम लोग को. She put up a write-up on Instagram and motivated people to get the test done. And she asked questions कि why are you not getting the test? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता यार, डर लगता है. This is what came to us कि डर लगता है हम लोग को. And then she started convincing people कि no, you should get the test. जितना early करोगे उतना अपने लिए beneficial है. Second is a proper treatment. Even if you are going to the doctor, 10 treatments मत लो, एक डॉक्टर पे भरोसा रख के करो. The family members need assurance. There are many people, जैसे कि एक unknown call था, it was for a food thing, and when I spoke to her, she was crying. She said कि ma'am please, my mother-in-law and my mother both are at home, और उनके लिए आप food कुछ करवा सकते हो. She had lost her father 8 days back. Then she said after 3 days I lost my husband. And my son, who is 10 years old, my both of my mother-in-law, my mother and my sister, all are positive, and we all were hospitalized. You imagine what type of mental trauma she must be facing. तो वो बहुत जरूरी है कि that you convince कि you send some positive vibes and all these things, because see वो faith अपना देखो कि वो कौन से चीज पे that person is having faith. यू टॉक टू द पर्सन कि नहीं कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, उनका मे बी के मेडिकल कंडीशन ऐसे था इसलिए वो गए, अभी ये जो है इनकी तरफ देखो. एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन. स्टे पॉजिटिव, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन टेलिंग. देयर आर मेनी पेशेंट्स हु हैव एक्सपीरियंस कि पीपी किट डाल के जब वो अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को मिलने को गए हॉस्पिटल में, तो जब वो फैमिली मेंबर्स आते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन लेवल बढ़ता है. दिस इज counseling, someone talking, that I have someone. Luckily, I had my such a big friend circle कि मेरे को खाना भी नहीं बनाना पड़ा when all these people were positive and all. सब लोग खाना रख के जाते थे गेट पे, and I just had to take care of these people. At that time I thought कि, and when I moved ना, कि जब हॉस्पिटल से हम लोग को लकीली मिले, there was nothing कि बेड नहीं मिला, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, everything was arranged perfectly. But at that time I saw that people in general are in panic. बहुत ज़्यादा condition is really very bad and we should help out. And then so I ट्रस्ट का जो टीम है, that you just call your friends and you just उनके साथ बात करो. And this week कि yes मैम, वो बहुत अच्छे से असर कर रहे हैं, कि they are responding well and people बात करके उनको अच्छा लगा. This is one type of counseling only, and that is the need of that. Another counseling we can do it later on also.
So here, where the entire team is counseling, does the foundation need volunteers, and how exactly these volunteers will work? I mean, I'm just asking you, ताकि जो लोग ऑनलाइन ज्वाइन हुए हैं उनको भी थोड़ा सा ये क्लियर हो जाए. अब मुझे इस चीज से आपको ज्वाइन करना है. So I want to be there for the people who are, let's use the word, depression is what is killing everyone right now. Yes. Majority. Major stress is the depression. Frustration. घर में रहने का, आसपास जो हो रहा है ये सुन सुन के नेगेटिविटी आना, फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचना, अगर कोई हॉस्पिटलाइज है तो उसके ऊपर सोचना. मैं दूसरों की बात नहीं करूंगा, मैं ये बोलूंगा, आई थिंक 100% people are suffering from depression in some way or the other.
Absolutely.
No one can say that I am not suffering.
Right.
Or I think everyone has got that trigger point, one trigger point. ये छोटा सा भी हो सकता है. Right? So अगर मुझे आपको ज्वाइन करना है तो मैं आपको ज्वाइन करता हूं. And what do I say that I want to join as a counselor, और मेरा फोन नंबर मैं आपको देता हूं. How do people get connected and how does it work?
See, other than this only counseling part, we have one COVID help desk type, which is arranging. Okay. See, to have an inquiry कि मेरे XYZ friend को I need an oxygen bed, or I need only him to be hospitalized. We have that those people we are connected with different people who will give us the information कि where is the bed to be arranged. Second, that some people need food things also. So I have a data of people who are in different areas. Some are paid services, some are free of cost services. We have some even ambulance numbers. Then plasma and these things, remdesivir were a big challenge some 1 month back, but now it has been streamlined. Still blood and all these things are required. Sometimes blood is required and all these things. So medical help, we have different people associated with us whom we just, suppose you put up an inquiry, I'll just forward you that these are the details of this person. You just अभी दोपहर में एक इंक्वायरी थी कि मुंबई में एक इंजेक्शन अवेलेबल नहीं था, तो I just send them the जो नंबर लोअर परेल के जो नंबर्स थे, I forwarded the numbers and yes आज का ही दोपहर का. एंड लकीली जो टाटा ट्रस्ट के जो एक हमारी एक वॉलंटियर है, she is in Delhi and she has a major link of all the distributors, these medical distributors and all things with her from all over India, and she is providing it to kidhar se bhi ho. Within a while she just provides us all the information. So this is there, and you can just connect, you can send me your name and what you want to, how you want to volunteer and all. We'll be guiding you how to speak. See, because काउंसलिंग में भी एक इट इज आर्ट, यू नो, कि लोगों से बात करवा, मतलब मेक पीपल टॉक, दैट इज डिफरेंट. पीपल शुड फील कंफर्टेबल विद अस. पीपल शुड नॉट फील कि अरे यार मैंने रोहन को बताया तो रोहन इनको बता देगा. दिस शुडंट हैपन. कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी यू शुड बोलना चाहिए कि हम लोग किसी को भी ये नहीं बोलेंगे. देन व्हाट नॉट टू स्पीक, ये बात मेरे को बोलनी नहीं है, दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वो पर्सन होता है that वो पर्सन को अपने कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ, देन दैट पर्सन को. बट दिस इज अ पार्ट, यू शुड बी एबल टू सेंस कि नहीं, ये जो है वो उसको मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट की ज्यादा जरूरत है. And one more thing I would like to tell, that when I found that youngsters, some 15 days back we had one youngster who had some depression problem, and I connected him with our members. When I spoke to him, he said कि आंटी actually मेरे साथ जो जितने भी friends है, all are into depression. As you said that almost 100% people. It is because financial condition also of the people is
Right.
responsible. Lockdown की जो है जो status की we people are missing the touch of other people.
Right.
People,
Right.
others, whatever social life people had, we people are missing that somewhere. And of course this fear somewhere back of the mind में भी fear रहता ही है कि अरे यार मैं उसको मिलके आया, वो तो कोविड पॉजिटिव था, फिर अब मेरा क्या, मतलब दिन भर में एक वो जोक था ना व्हाट्सएप पे कि एक बार तो लगता ही है मेरे को हुआ है. दैट इज दिस काइंड ऑफ फियर इज आल्सो देयर. सो टू ऐसा है. So what you do is, whoever wants to join, they can just either through you, or they can directly send me a message that we want to work, and further they will have to be guided. The way the counseling team was, we had some sessions for these two, that what
Right.
not to speak, कैसी बात initiate करना है वो. Okay.
Yeah.
And even for the your people desk also, anytime whatever arrangement can be done, there are team members. अब जैसे कि एक कॉल है from the last 15 days कि वो एकदम गंगापुर गांव का है, and his wife was 8 months pregnant, and she no hospital was admitting him. एक hospital को नासिक रोड में उसने रखा, and उन्होंने अभी उसका डिलीवरी करके, he doesn't understand कि रिपोर्ट भी क्या है. मैडम थे, he was telling me वो वेंटिलेटर पे है, लेकिन वेंटिलेटर उसने सुना था लेकिन वो ऑक्सीजन पे थी. Like all these things are also, and he was उसको वो बोल रहा था कि मेरी बड़ी वाली बेटी है, वो मैं मेरी बीवी के साथ ही उधर हूँ, and she doesn't see us both in the house, and she's crying for the whole day. मैडम तुम्ही बोलणं करशाल का, he said to me, मैं तिला फोन लावून देतो, तुम्ही बोला. that this is what is happening, that right to senior citizens, everyone is in distress. So we need only to talk. That is also that. In fact, those who want to join, I'll guide them for how it is to be.
Yeah. So I make an announcement over here that people, if you really want to join in, if you want to help, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि हमेशा एक physically present आप हो या financially present हो. आज जो situation है, everyone needs a ear. कि सुनो मेरी बात सुनो. That everyone is waiting that I want to say something, let me vent it out. So there are people who really need this. We keep on hearing a lot of sad stories के कुछ हमारे फील्ड के लोगों ने मैम सुसाइड कमिट किया है. यही सोच के अब आप सोचिए कि एक एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री के लोग जब सुसाइड कमिट करते हैं तो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज है, क्योंकि we are into people, we are a person, a set of people who are making people laugh, making people be happy, और वो खुद एक ऐसे डिप्रेशन से गुजर रहे कि उनको सुसाइड कमिट करना पड़ रहा है. तो डिप्रेशन कितनी बड़ी चीज है, people try and understand. First thing. Second, just imagine if we were into an era जहां पे मोबाइल्स नहीं होते, जहां पे कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता. Today we have 10 types of communications present. You can, through social media, through emails, through phones, through landlines. Guys, I want to request this. I have requested this so many times. Please pick up phones, yaar. Pick up phones. Ma'am, I have seen this, and let me use the word. This is just, I want to use this word. I'm so sorry. नहीं पर नहीं यूज करूंगा, बट दिस इज जस्ट अ शो ऑफ फॉर पीपल टू लोगों को दिखाना मैं बहुत बिजी हूं.
Absolutely.
आप फोन क्यों नहीं उठाते हो? लोग फोन कर रहे हैं आपको तो आप फोन उठाओ एंड हैव सम लॉजिक, हैव सम कॉमन सेंस. इफ सम पीपल आर कॉलिंग ट्वाइस थ्राइस, दे आर कॉलिंग यू फॉर सम हेल्प. एंड इफ यू आर बिजी, देयर इज अ टेम्पलेट. फोन में टेम्पलेट्स भी आते हैं. आई एम बिजी, कट ऑफ द फोन. आप फोन बजने दे रहे हो, अरे नहीं फोन उठा सकते हो, एटलीस्ट कैंसिल इट so the person can call up someone else and speak. So guys, if you are really interested in such a such a beautiful initiative जहां पे आप लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं, लोगों को कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Sorry, please do get connected to the foundation, Radha Lakshmi Foundation. You can directly message me. I'll give you the number, or you can directly message to ma'am, and she will tell you how to get connected, how the sessions will be done. और प्लीज अगर ये आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट्स लेके अपने स्टेटस पे डालने वाले हो कि मैंने किसी की मदद की या मैं किसी से बात करता हूं या करती हूं, तो प्लीज आप मत ज्वाइन इन कीजिए. This is a request from my side. Please don't do that. You know, if you really want to do it, go there and help people. You know, don't take a screenshot and tell people that I've been doing this. This is again my adding salt.
Yes, yes.
Please don't do it.
Your mindset should be that I want to help people, and you should, so, you know, you should yourself should be that much sensitive and that much empathetic person that दूसरों को दर्द हो रहा है, अपने को बुरा लग रहा है. This should be your mindset. Then only you can do social work. Otherwise you cannot. नहीं तो फिर सिर्फ ऐसे सेल्फी वेल्फी निकालने में ही टाइम जाता है. एंड
तो उसी टाइम आप ब्लॉक कर दीजिएगा मैम. नॉट नीडेड.
दैट इज नॉट. ये जो है एक कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो ये इनिशिएटिव में नहीं चलेगा. हाँ ठीक है, तुम बुक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने गए, देन तब फोटो कब निकालनी है, दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर ना. सो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
नहीं, वो कभी भी निकाल रहे. आजकल फोटोज बहुत अच्छी आ गई. और स्ट्रेस बस्टर से जब बात आया, डिप्रेशन रिलीज करने का बात आया, सो वी हैव अ वेरी ओन डीजे मॉन्टी हु कीप्स ऑन प्लेइंग ब्यूटीफुल सेशंस एवरी फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे. सो यू कैन गेट कनेक्टेड टू हिम ऑन फेसबुक. म्यूजिक सुने, you can ask for some good numbers and you can keep on asking, dedicating those songs. And last Saturday when he was playing, man, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात की थी कि कहीं और आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप एटलीस्ट अगर दूर बैठे हो तो अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को फोन कर दीजिए दिन में एक बार. यू नो, एटलीस्ट गेट कनेक्टेड टू देम. फोन्स जितने स्मार्ट हो रहे हैं, लोग उतने स्मार्ट नहीं है. एटलीस्ट गेट कनेक्टेड टू देम.
एग्जैक्टली. यू नो, हमेशा आई टेल कि फोन, आईफोन, मतलब आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल कि आईफोन लिया तो उसके साथ वो सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं आता ना कि इसके साथ ये मैनर्स है. यू सेड द वे यू सेड कि फोन उठाते नहीं लोग, कॉल बैक करते नहीं है. दैट इज, देन यू डोंट हैव सेल फोन. जो मोबाइल में आता है वो उसका बेनिफिट, अगर दैट इज फॉर दैट इज हैविंग सम पर्पस, तो उसके साथ कुछ कर नहीं है कि ये चिप बिठाया तो उसके साथ मैनर्स भी आ गए. दैट इज नॉट देयर. सो वी हैव टू, हम लोग को ही सीखना है एंड वी हैव टू बी ट्राई टू बी आवर बेस्ट. अपग्रेडेशन है ना जो अपग्रेडेशन.
आप इनके साथ, इन सेशंस के साथ, आई होप this COVID situation is just wiping off very soon. We all hope like that. But are you planning to take some sessions? और इसमें I think psychiatric लोग बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है, साइकोलॉजिस्ट जरूरत रहेंगे कि कॉमन सेंस क्या होती है.
Rohan, I am very bad in all this social media and all these things.
I am there.
Yes, with your help, we will definitely have some sessions, and as people were, even there are some career counselors, so they will also be very happy to talk to and guide people, because this after 1 month, people will be needing that too. There are about the career options, everything. So we'll just plan it out, and when you are there, I don't have to worry about it.
Thank you. See, there is one question from Monty again. How to deal with stress in the personal and professional life जो अभी चल रहा है उस situation पे based. Ma'am, what do you suggest? How do we do things?
See, you know, first thing is, Monty, professional or personal life, दोनों का stress, you know, we should be able to handle it differently, both the things. प्रोफेशनली है तो वो स्ट्रेस घर पे लाने का, एंड घर का जो है वो उधर जाके, दोनों की तरफ, देन यू आर बैड in both the situations. For having the, you know, dealing with stress, you need to be very, very emotionally intelligent. You know, some few years back it was said that IQ is important, but it is not so. It is emotional quotient is important, because with the problems where we do not have solutions, we have to train our mind accordingly. That suppose फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव पीपल, अभी रिसेंटली सम 10 days बैक ऐसा था कि एक फैमिली वी वर डीलिंग विद, एंड दे वर बोथ वर पॉजिटिव, हॉस्पिटलाइज, बच्चे घर पे, एंड एट दैट टाइम बच्चों का अलग तरीके से काउंसलिंग था, इनका पेरेंट्स का भी अलग का तरीके से था, बोथ वर सो मच स्ट्रेस्ड आउट। देन उनको ये समझाना पड़ा कि नहीं, ये दीज आर द थिंग्स, ये अपने हाथ में जो है, यू हैव टू बाइफरकेट अ लिटिल बिट, पेपर पेन लेके ही करना पड़ता है कि जैसा कि सॉर्ट करते हैं दैट इज स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेस, नहीं इसका ये है, ये होने के बाद यस एंड में क्या है, व्हाट इज वर्स्ट विच आई विल बी, एंड उसमें आई शुड बी रेडी, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर माइंड अकॉर्डिंगली। मे बी वांट आई कैन वी कैन स्पीक इट, ये ऐसा नहीं है, वो जरा सा लेंदी है explanation.
Yeah, definitely. नहीं नहीं, I think we all should get connected now. It is more important because as we had a talk, मैम, कि हर एक आपका कोई अलग लेवल का स्ट्रेस होगा ही डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि आप इतना डील कर रहे हो तो कहीं ना कहीं दूसरा पर्सनल लाइफ से भी स्ट्रेस होगा।
yes.
किसी का प्रोफेशनल होता है, किसी का पर्सनल होता है, किसी का कुछ और किसी का कुछ, जैसे बच्चों का है वो अलग ही है। वी कांट अंडरस्टैंड बच्चे किस स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहे हैं।
राइट
यू नो, सो ये पूरे पूरे इसमें
बच्चे इस दौरान, बच्चे आर मिसिंग देयर स्कूल्स, देयर स्कूल लाइफ, यू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड वंस वी से ना कि नहीं, वन वेरी इजी थिंग आई टेल यू, माय डॉटर समटाइम्स कंप्लेन ना कि यार बहुत बोर हो रहा है लॉकडाउन की वजह से एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स ना, कि वो स्ट्रेस्ड अप होते कि बाहर नहीं जा सक रहे, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे। then I tell that, see, you look at the situation around, even if it is a negative situation, people are not getting food, many people have lost their jobs, there are so many things, we have seen almost 5 members of a family dying during this COVID. You just see that how blessed you are. That is one of the best things to deal with. We have very big, unlike Mumbai, we do not have very small houses ki idhar hi bas idhar hi, and all these things, we have a lot of space, we have phone, we have phones, we have access to the social media, we have access to so many things which villagers do not. Village students do not have these phones also, smartphones, they cannot study. You know, to one of my village girl, what I'm sending her, whatever written material, because she is not having a lot of net, whatever she can download, she writes it when her father comes home in the evening. She has made a notebook and she writes it in the notebook, and then she learns. So the person who has the urge to do something, to deal with problems, he will automatically find a way. And of course, when you talk to someone, automatically when you you get a solution to it. That is very important.
I would just add two things over here, मैम। एक तो हम, आपने जैसे ही बोला कि बाहर हम देखते हैं कितनी नेगेटिव चीजें हैं, वी आर फॉर्चुनेट, ये डेफिनेटली देयर इज दिस पॉइंट टुडे। आई थिंक, हो सकता है मैं गलत हूं, आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा अफेक्टेड जो है वो है बच्चे।
Absolutely.
उनका बाहर जाना बंद हो गया है, उनका स्कूल्स में जाना बंद हो गया, जैसे आपने कहा, फ्रेंड्स से मिलना बंद हो गया है। When the parents are home, the family is there, they play or whatever, जो घर में जो उनकी विसिनिटी है वहां पे प्ले खेलते हैं, खाते पीते सोते हैं, नो वर्कआउट्स, ठीक है। पर इस डिप्रेशन के कारण से, इस फ्रस्ट्रेशन से, जब माँ बाप एक दूसरे से झगड़ा करते हैं, वो भी बच्चों पे असर हो रहा है।
एब्सोल्युटली, वो बहुत बड़ा असर हो रहा है, बहुत बड़ा।
आप टीवी देखते हो, आप कंटिन्यूस बच्चे के सामने न्यूज देख रहे हो, आप नेगेटिव न्यूज देख रहे हो, और फिर घर में अगर बच्चा है तो आप उस नेगेटिव न्यूज के सामने आप खुद गाली बक रहे हो, आपका जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, ये कर रहा है, वो ऐसा कर रहा है। सो ये आपका आवाज, आपकी स्पीच का टोन एंड वॉल्यूम, एवरीथिंग इज अफेक्टिंग अ चाइल्ड। ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड दिस, पेरेंट्स। I know you're much more matured than what I am, but parents try and understand there's a kid. आज छोटा बच्चा 6 महीने से लेके 8-10 साल तक का जो बच्चा है, उसके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट हो रहा है। And tomorrow these kids will go out and then will say ये आदमी ऐसा क्यों है, because they have been affected in the childhood. Absolutely. So guys, try and understand this. Do not shout when they are around. Let them come and play. Let them do what they are doing. They are mentally affected more than what you, because आई थिंक उनकी तो मेंटल डेवलपमेंट ही नहीं हुई है.
Yes.
हम क्या समझेंगे उन्हें?
Yes.
हम
Yes.
समझ सकते हैं, वो क्या समझेंगे?
Yes. Right. Right. You are very right.
So that is one thing, and I just wanted to share one more thing. Hi Atul, namaskar, thank you. आप join in हुए उसके लिए. So see, the entire thing that we are here to share the initiative of Radha Lakshmi Foundation about getting volunteers, getting connected to people, talking to people. There is a concept which has taken around 1.5-2 साल of actual research. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि 5 लोग आए और उन्होंने शुरुआत की है. एज मैम हैज सेड कि वहां पे डॉक्टर्स है, देयर आर एजुकेशनलिस्ट, देयर आर काउंसलर्स हु आर देयर टू टीच यू हाउ टू काउंसिल पीपल इज आल्सो एन आर्ट. So whomsoever is interested to share a hand, give a hand, and get connected to the foundation in whichever ways, you should get connected. Ma'am, I am obviously there. You know this. We had a talk about it. So people, I would love if you guys get connected to them. Yes, ma'am. So now we have another 5 to 10 minutes. If people want to ask any question and you want to share anything, you can.
Yes. One more thing, Rohan, I would like to share that, as I said that, and just now the last point which we discussed, that the kids who are the most distressed, सबसे ज़्यादा affect हो रहे हैं and होने वाले हैं वो kids है, because उनका education also. All those who are interested in putting up की जिनको idea कुछ generate करना है, we can through our foundation to help out these kids. I don't know how many people help, 5, 10 people, 50 people, we would be happy. We will try to connect the schools का database and everything is there, but we will try to connect कैसे बच्चों को ये लॉकडाउन के दौरान ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम लोग we can get them involved और उनका knowledge upgrade करें. That is also. Even interested, you can please talk to me, we can take it.
Yeah, see, ma'am ka obviously Insta ID is here and you can get connected to her over to the Insta ID. Ma'am, what's your favorite food you crave during lockdown? Monty's wife has started, and he has done a great job, I would say this.
Okay.
Ma'am, Monty's wife Soni had started with her kitchen, and which provided food to all the COVID patients, whomsoever requires food. So they used to go and provide food to all these people.
Great.
And that's a great initiative by Monty and his wife.
Yes.
Yeah. So what was your craving that you craved during lockdown?
Honestly, Rohan, this lockdown, I really did not have time for all these.
Okay.
Last lockdown we had, and just the way Monty has started, from after the last lockdown, from October, we have started non-vegetarian. We started with a parcel service of 5 foods, and of course my Radha Lakshmi Foods ladies are there who can bring out, and then we had to expand it because of the people's demand. People started liking it, and of course during this COVID we have provided chicken soup and everything free to all the COVID patients. भी इंक्वायरी आई थी एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी स्टार्टेड, जितना भी हो सके उतना कर रहे हैं. इट इज नॉट दैट वी आर बहुत, क्योंकि बहुत अदर पॉइंट्स भी है. दिस इज आल्सो देयर, एंड डेफिनेटली मॉन्टी बटर चिकन आई हैव वाइफ के हाथ का खाया है मैंने. आई विल डेफिनेटली ऑर्डर इट.
Butter chicken. Acha, good. None of you all have talked about any sweets because you know that you are talking to a trainer, and I will say no because you have not been working out. So don't eat so much of sweets. Okay, so if anyone wants to ask anything related to any, related to definitely the NGO, Radha Lakshmi Foundation, or anything that ma'am has started, any initiative, anything, any suggestions that you people have, it can always be incorporated. We can always work on that. And I think that's the only thing that we always have to be together. So we have next 2 minutes. If anyone wants to ask any question, can just type a message out over here and we can give the answer for that. In the meantime, yes, thank you very much for everyone to get connected to It's My Story. A concept is completely based on getting people who have been working so hard in all the fields. Maybe it is a charitable field or their own fields. They are doing so good since the last 15-20 years. एक मोटिवेशनल फैक्टर है जो लोग जो अगर देखते हैं तो उनसे दूसरे यंगस्टर्स मोटिवेट होते हैं. And that's the entire concept of getting my people, my Nasik people getting over here and reaching out to the people. And yeah, Bachpan Stories is coming very, very soon. So you have to get connected. And जैसा stress हम लोग सब जिस stress से जा रहे हैं, I bet on this, Bachpan Stories will remove all your stress. Definitely. Start writing your stories because we'll be coming soon. अच्छा ज्योति मतानी मैम इज अच्छा चॉकलेट्स मैंने चॉकलेट्स खानी है मैम चॉकलेट शुगर फ्री प्लीज
नहीं उनके चॉकलेट्स आई नो
या आई हैव टेस्टेड वो खुद बनाते हैं सो आई हैव टेस्टेड ड्यूरिंग दिवाली आई रिमेम्बर मोंटी जो नेक्स्ट गेस्ट है उनका मैं बहुत ही जल्द कल या ज्यादा से ज्यादा परसों तक क्रिएटिव रिलीज करने वाला हूं बिकॉज ये थोड़ा सा मुझे सरप्राइज रखना है. ये थोड़ा सा मुझे सरप्राइज रखना है क्योंकि अगर मैं बोल दूंगा तो वो एक्साइटमेंट खत्म हो जाता है. सो मैं ये थर्सडे या फ्राइडे को रिलीज करूंगा इनका क्रिएटिव. एंड अश्विनी मैम यू वांट टू से एनीथिंग प्लीज गो अहेड.
And right now I will just tell all of you that the need of the hour is to be kind to everyone. At present, only a small, very good or stay positive or everything will be okay or everything will be all right. These three words also will play very, very important role in everyone's life. Because it is not that that you make commitment. To just that even if you need anything, you please get in touch with me. This sentence itself will suffice, and it will give an assurance to the person that koi to hai, and that will listen. Today's Divya Marathi, I suppose there was a news that in Brazil all the kids who were hospitalized, they were told stories, and when they were told stories, whatever their oxygen levels went up, and they were they were seen to be getting well properly only because of the stories, because it it gives some different food to your mind. और जब mind occupied रहता है तो naturally body, and when you mind, body also responds positively. That is very, very important. Even while cooking also, when you have positive feelings कि happily cook कर रहे हैं तो फिर ये husband के साथ झगड़ा हुआ तो फिर नमक ज्यादा हो ही गया. That is that type of thing. So happy mindset, positive mindset is important, and try to, even if you don't do any kind of social work, at least try to be this. Try to do this. In this way, you can help many by doing nothing. Only and victim.
Yeah, please, people, on this note, I would not like to say goodbye to anyone. I would see you soon with the next guest over here. And I would just like to add, जैसे पहले बात हुई, please take the phone calls if people call you. Please get connected to people. Long lost friends, you can just message them. You can say a hi, doesn't cost you much. आजकल सब लोग कीपैड्स के साथ इतने फास्ट है कि वो एक सेकंड में मैसेज चले जाता है. तो आप लोग जल्द से जल्द कीजिए. एट टाइम्स यू कैन पुट स्टोरीज रिलेटेड टू सम पॉजिटिव नोट्स. ट्राई टू अवॉइड द नेगेटिव नोट्स न्यूज विदाउट inquiring about those news. Do not spread it, do not forward it for no reason, and do not go to 10 people for one treatment. Doctors are doing great. They are taking care, and everyone is not a doctor. So please don't try to become a doctor for anyone who's suffering from something bad. So please, and be happy. If you're not happy, you can directly message me. I'll definitely make you laugh. Jitna main kar sakta hu. And I hope everyone will take good care. Be safe. Meet you this Saturday with yet another person, and who has taken a lot of efforts to do a lot of things. And thank you, ma'am, once again.
Thank you, Rohan, and thank you everyone for your patient hearing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. If you have anything, please, you can directly message ma'am or you can directly message me. Thank you very much. Please take care and see you this Saturday, the same time on It's My Story, What's Yours. Bye-bye. Good night and see you soon.